So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be teaching you how to make a cool gaming intro, a dope intro for your YouTube channel. So guys, if you're new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so the intro we're gonna make. So first you're gonna go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. We're gonna search for Panzoid. We click on search. There we go. So this is the website guys, okay? Panzoid.com. So we're just gonna click on that. So once it loaded, we're gonna click on clip maker. So it has loaded guys. So you're just gonna scroll down here. So you're just gonna choose your intro here. I'm just gonna click on more creations. There we go. Swipe down. I'm just gonna choose an intro, okay guys? What intro should I make?
Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive, we would go out, we were so loud,
I think I'm just gonna what intro?
days, we'd spend our own way, we were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless.
I think I'm just gonna do this. So once you have chosen your intro, we're just gonna click on open in clip maker. Wait for it to load. So it's loading. There we go. We click on play. So that's the intro guys. So we're gonna scroll down here, click on basics. So we're gonna click on objects, click on text name. We're just gonna put the name of your channel. I'm just gonna put tornado, and then the next one we're gonna put, I'm just gonna put tornado again, tornado, click on that, then click on this, put tornado again, and then another one. You're just gonna basically put the names of your channel here. So there we go. So I'm gonna edit the font, okay? So you're just gonna choose the font for your name. I'm just gonna let it custom. So as you can see, your name is there. So we're gonna click on these 3 lines. Okay guys, we're just gonna scroll down and we're gonna click on download. So if you want your video good quality, extreme HD quality guys, you're gonna click on this, but you're gonna have to wait maybe 10 minutes or so. So I want it to be fast because I'm recording, so I'm just gonna click on good quality. Click on start video render. So guys, I'm gonna fast forward this video because I don't want it to be too long. So just enjoy the music while it's rendering, okay guys? Hey yo, so what is up guys, I'm back. So the render is almost done. 8, 7, 6, a few seconds. So there, your render is finished. So we're gonna click on download your video. Thank you for using Banzai, your download is starting. So there we go, the intro is done. We click on open. Okay guys, so we're not done. So once you have downloaded your intro, you cannot use it on your videos because it says video.mkb. So the format of the video is mkb. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna go to KineMaster, a mobile editing that I use. We're gonna click here, new project. So now if you go here and look at your downloads, this clip uses unsupported format. So it says this clip uses unsupported format, so we're gonna fix that guys. So you must have a dummy account on YouTube. I just make new account, so we're just gonna upload our intro, the intro that we make. I'm just gonna put intro, upload. Just gonna click on upload, so it's uploading. It should take just a little bit of time. So processing has started. So there we go, so it has been uploaded. So we're gonna click on these 3 dots, click share, and click on copy link. Now we're gonna go to Chrome again on your browser. go to Y to mate. Now we're gonna click here. Now we're gonna paste the link here. Click on allow. So we're just gonna click on download 1080p because we want our intro to be clear. Now we're gonna click download that MP4. Click on allow. So there it is downloading. We're just gonna wait for it to download. So now guys, the format has changed because MKB is not supported on KineMaster. We're gonna fix it, so we change the format to MP4 by doing that. Wait, I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm just gonna finish this download. Okay, so almost done. We're gonna go back to KineMaster and I'm gonna show you it's now working. Click on this. Okay, so there we go, our intro is here. We can now use it on editing. So if your intro has that just has a watermark, we're just gonna click on this, that, and then click on these two lines and zoom it a little bit. There we go. Click on check. Now there's no watermark. That's easily how to fix that. Okay, so if you like this video, please don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.